Way back in the early 1970s, a group of engineers at Flinders University in South Australia designed and produced this very unusual electric car. The car uses a hydrostatic drive, comprised of an electric motor driving hydraulic pumps, then onto hydraulic motors at the rear wheels.
The Flinders University electric car is an experiment, an attempt to overcome the problems which have made other electric cars unsuitable for everyday use. Its success or failure depends on how well the problems are solved, and this rests with Don Atkinson and the other members of his research team.
Another man had ideas about building a body, a light body to put into the car, and so the thing was very fortunate it came together. This is a commuter car. It's a car to use in the cities to do 50 and 60 mile and start-stop traffic. So one of the first things that you've got to consider is all the drag factors. The windage is very important. The shape of the car is terribly important in an electric car because wind resistance is a very big factor in holding back any car. The weight is terribly important. You've got a
Thank you for watching the original footage from the early 1970s. And now in the year 2022, members of the South Australian branch of the Australian Electric Vehicle Association are restoring this vehicle to its original state. Many things need to be repaired or replaced. For example, the seats need to be reupholstered and the hydraulic system needs lots of work. We would also like to have a trailer to be able to get the vehicle to events around South Australia. We need your help with this. Please consider donating to assist in the restoration of this historic electric vehicle.